and elevate me into feeling good about myself is a man's Chinese theatre, a celebration. It's for that film. I don't forget, Sarah Marshall, did you see it? I like them eyes. Enough of you have seen it for me to wander out here this evening, just throwing belts behind me. Like a bed. Come then! Sometimes the seduction process. Don't think I'm unromantic by being promiscuous. Please don't think that of me. It is ultimately a quest, a search to find love, which I'm doing very, very quickly. Hence threesomes. It's just an efficient interview process. You're also clever. Yeah, I was at that fucking premiere. It still ended up being sort of a little bit embarrassing in spite of all the talismans of fame and glamour and glory, like photographers. They didn't have cameras. You know what I'm talking about? That just seems like a cleft palate. I didn't even mean to say that. I've seen a lot of adverts about them. I thought, oh, that's bad. And now it's sticky. Don't put it in isolation. Russell Brand thinks cleft palates are just another orifice to ejaculate into. This is not my belief. If they can be cured for £5, let's fucking go for it. Tonight is about junkies, of which I tragically was one. Have I mentioned it? I don't know. I was at that fucking premiere, and I thought, oh, this won't be humiliating or embarrassing or nothing like that. I'll finally be liberated from the shackles of self-doubt. Right? There's all them things, yeah, cameras, journalists showing superficial interest in superficial things, a red carpet outside. Oh, the glamour, a carpet outside. It's futile. Behold an outdoor carpet. There's a wallpaper tree. It's pointless. Improve life. It's out of context. Like the word paedophile earlier on. Out of context carpet. And there, right, this embarrassing thing happened to me. You know that actor, Seth Rogen? He was at the premiere, he was just over there. And I'd never met him before, but I knew people who knew him, so I had to do that face of, oh, we're not mutual friends, right? We're not mutual friends. That face, the mutual friends face. He did the mutual friends face as well, so that's not too bad. I thought, oh, I'll walk over and say hello. Just beyond him was the studio executive that I already knew. She was English. Oh! I've done that to her, because she's English, right? We can communicate thusly. Oh! Oh! An octave higher. She yields to me. I was out to walk over to Seth Rogen to introduce himself, and even though it's like meaningless little exchange, I thought, oh, I better think of what I'm going to say now. Better get it all prepared down and start my brain. Right, so walking towards him, like bustling. So I take the risk. So I'm walking towards him, and like, as I was walking towards him, photographers saw him and started to take photos of Seth Rogen. Right, I'd already set off. And my boys were like, oh mate, looks like I'm trying to get in with the photo. Makes it look pathetic. So I had to sort of swerve it. Go past it, and I thought, I'm just pretending we're always going to say hello to the studio executive from earlier, right? But because I cocked in the barrel of my brain already a stupid little bit of language, not even a good bit of language, I couldn't change it too late. I was already, of course, prepared to speak to Seth Rogen. Whenever I was panicking about the light, the brightness, I was embarrassed anyway. I went, please to meet you, Seth Rogen. Shooting on bland platitudes like the tedious. Who's him? What killed the president? Bove, Oswald. Who would be next? Yeah. So that sense of humiliation that I felt in that moment, like always had it, right? Like, what about when you're like, shit, bitch, scratch, come back. Completely in control of my emotion. It's the emotion of lust. Right? Yeah. Right, so when I was that age, right? What's that? That's 7, right? When I was 7, right, I still feel the same as I do now. There's an unbroken umbilical cord from me now to me then. Don't feel no different. It's all just the same, I think. And that's why I like having identification with children. I saw it right once this little girl in Camden Town walking over Camden Lock Bridge. She was wearing like a pink baseball cap, just a little girl, 7, she maybe 6 actually, maybe 6. And then she had osteoporosis, and then she had chalky bones. She was disappearing dustily into the ground, even as she walked, sandpapering away for nothing. Ah, but we've all got dust on the wind of history. I know, mate. Walking over that lock in Camden, where the punks always are, every day, every single day, the punks on the bridge over the lock in Camden, every day. That's not very punk, is it? How was this established? Punk seeks other for sedentary protest. Leaflet distribution must bring cider. The punks were there on the lock, as they always are, as they always ever shall be. The little girl was walking along. The people, her mum, dad, they was with her, almost certainly her parents, they were walking along there. She's separated by Pratt and Meter. They have the distinct stench of the provinces about them. They ain't London folk, unfamiliar in the metropolis, tentative... Oh, God. Did that happen to everybody? It's not some serial killer thing we're getting. Look now, not always going so well. Who needs it? Some Son of Sam shit going on in the head. Yeah, that little girl, just separated, provincial little girl, all nervous she were, looking around from beneath the brim of her pink baseball cap, her parents' warnings ringing in her ears. Be careful in London, watch out, don't accept sweets from strangers, look round every corner before you step, beware London, there be dragons. Nervous intensity, the punks look on. Over here, some American tourists are stood, one of them wearing a Guinness foam top hat, which I believe is mandatory and issued with passports when you come here, right? Stood there, them tourists in Guinness top foam outfits, and the punks are over there. The punks see the tourists in the Guinness top hat. The little girl, she's separated from her parents, tentative, nervous, with every step, walking along. The punks look at the tourists, and one of the punks goes, "Give me your hat, you bastard!" And the little girl went, "What?" And in that moment, she lived in a reality where punks went to her, "Give me your hat, you bastard!" And I'd seen it all unfold, and I felt a duty and obligation. Shall I tell her? Shall I tell her the world ain't that terrifying? That even punks can be beautiful, that no one will shout, "Give me your hat, you bastard," at a 6-year-old. That's not the world we live in. I alone hold the key, the difference between perception and reality. Shall I tell her? I thought, nah, fuck it. Let her live with it. It'll improve her poems.